may mga bagay tayong sinisimulan at pinipiling tapusin. Marahil, likas ito sa atin habang tayo lumalago lalo na bilang isang atleta. Kahit alam mong mahirap, pipilitin mo pa rin itong lampasan. Hanggang sa makamtan mo ang kasiyahang dala ng pagtatapos sa iyong nasimulan. Noong March 30, 2024, inakyat namin ang Mount Makiling. Namangha kami sa ganda ng sagradong bundok na ito. Ngunit sa kasamaang palad, hindi namin ito natapos dahil sa malakas na ulan. Ngayon, March 31, 2026, muli kaming nagbabalik, hindi lamang para umakyat, kundi upang wakasan ang aming nasimulan.
What's going on, guys? Dennis Balbin here of Tondo Football Club, and we are here sa Mount Makiling. This is the revenge ng mga players natin who went up noong 2024 dito sa Mount Makiling, pero hindi namin natapos yung summit. That's why we are back para tapusin. So again, it's summer, March 31 ba? Holy Week break, and I think last time na inakyat namin to ganito rin, Holy Week break. So ito yung best time for us na to gather again, to see each other and climb the challenge and enjoy the mountain of Mount Makiling. So hopefully it's gonna be a great Tuesday hike para sa amin lahat, and maayos yung weather, walang aberya, walang masamang mangyari na injury. All the showering of blessings of the Lord may be with us para at least maging maayos, maging masaya yung hike namin. Cheers!
My name is Radja Garrido po. I'm from Davao de Oro.
Wow, from Davao. What do you want to achieve from this hike?
Tapos kami lahat. Safe kami lahat makatapos. And
Makauwi.
makauwi.
Wow, yay!
My name po is Benz Joel de la Cruz Samaniego. I am from the Philippines. You could call me Joel. So what I would like to achieve is not just physical, but mental state of mind where I'm able to overcome anything that I want to do in the world when I reach the summit.
Okay, I'm here with...
Hello po, ako po si Ana
From?
from University of Makati. I want to achieve is to reach the summit.
Okay, sige, bye-bye ka na.
Bye-bye.
Okay, I'm here with...
Daizu.
From...
From dyan lang.
Okay, what do you want to achieve from this hike?
To reach her.
Lay po,
Ayun,
From...
Tondo, from UP Diliman.
Okay, what do you want to achieve from this hike?
Experience and hopefully matapos yung summit. Matapos
Okay.
yung mismo.
Okay, bye-bye. Say
Bye.
bye-bye na. Current status.
Current status, we're still waiting kay Hana. Please, Hana, pumunta ka na dito. 6:36. 6:36. Yung may kita yan.
Time check, 6:36. And until now, wala pa rin siya. Paging Hana, laging late. Tara na!
Hindi ako mag-iwan. Tapos na kami mag-hike.
Kamusta? Bakit ka po natagalan po?
Grabe, there's a lot of obstacle before I came here.
Oh, ito. Ito po ang last obstacle. 1, 2, 3. Boom!
Hello guys, we are here at Mount Makiling. We are at the start at 7:02 a.m. I'm here with Raja, and we just started. We are starting our trek in these wild woods, in the jungles of Los Baños, and we're about to go to the summit. But as you know, good things start from the bottom, and we're here at the bottom, but we're about to be up top. So I'll catch you in a few kilometers, guys.
So, pumasok na kami dun sa legitimate na forestry na yung trail. Kasi kanina, while walking, pwede kang nakapikit. Pero ngayon, while walking, kailangan nakatingin ka na dun sa trail. Hindi na siya man-made. Wala nang semento. Kaya yung trail ngayon, para ka na ulit nasa Encantadia. Tingnan nyo to. Oh. Avatar Planet. Ha, 21 stations ang nadaanan namin. And starting from 20 pala, puro ascend na. 9 stations to go. Pero ito na yung part na the mountain will call for the challenge. This is the best part of the mountain eh. Kasi in your mind, malapit na. Pero yung challenge, papahirapan ka lalo. Di ba ang saya?
Normal breathing. Normal. Lich! Pinipigilan mo. Uy. Basic.
So far so good.
We're reaching the final stage papunta sa summit. Nung last na hike namin, dito kami nahinto. Kasi nga, maulakas yung ulan. Pero this time, good weather. Kaya, kayang-kayang tapusin. So, ito yung spot kung saan kami nahinto nung last time. Akit na! Uy!
Ganda dito ko! Coach, ang gusto so much! Babalikan ka namin.
Di pa dito, coach.
27 na, hindi pa kami pinagbigyan ng tatlo.
I think yung mga girls nasa summit na. Kasi ito na yung 27th. Ito na yung 27th station. Ayun pa pala. Oh. Look how stiff. Taas. Panalo tong makiling kasi winarm up ka muna dun sa umpisa. Sabay uunti-untiin ka lang talaga na na i-challenge. Ganda naman ng challenge niya. Grabe, focus ang bawat isa. You have to fight those anxiety na your body is tired. So yun yung challenge talaga ng mountaineering. If you want to finish the hike, finish it. Huwag mo iisipin masyado yung pagod. Papasok sa katawan mo yung pagod eh. So the battle will be on your mind. And if your mind can push through, your body will push through. Basura. Oh. Yung mga nag-hike dyan, bawasan nyo naman yung kalat. Huwag mo kayo magkalat. Yeah! Bons!
Kapoy man!
Nice one, everyone! Grabe si Benz, dito natulog. Yeah!
Ito summit. Finally, after naming inakyat tong Mount Makiling noong 2024, we're back and we managed to conquer the summit. Yes, yes boys. Yes girls. From Camp Aguilas, tinapos namin yung summit ng 1 hour and 20 minutes. Ang estimated ng tour guide namin will be around 2 hours to 3 hours. Pero syempre, these are elite athletes, university scholars, kaya medyo madali yung venture namin papunta dito sa summit.
Sa kabila ng lahat ng challenges, hindi lamang ng kabundukan ng Mount Makiling, na naigang kagustuhan ng bawat isa sa amin na tapusin ang aming nasimulang adventure dito sa bundok na ito. Ang bundok ay hindi madaling hamunin, pero kung ikaw ay determinado, kakayanin mong tapusin ang laban. Dito nagtatapos ang aming Mount Makiling adventure.
Hi guys! Welcome to Mount Makiling!
Ano ba yun?
Yung mga tiktokan ni ano ba? Kuya Gian yan.
Sayo ka lang din, sayo lang.
Yung